Hello everyone. Today we will discuss about transistor. We are knowing transistor is of two type. It is made by two type of a semiconductor, P type semiconductor and N type semiconductor. Here in the name as a transistor, it is a two type semiconductor here, and it is made in such a way. See very carefully. First of all, we are going to take example of P and P transistor, the three P type semiconductor, N type semiconductor and P type semiconductor. Here there are two junctions here in transistor. One is here between P and N, and another junction here, this, right? It has a normal three terminals used here, one this side, another this side, and middle this. Here it is denoted by ammeter. This is collector and it is a base terminal. Similarly, NPN type transistor also there. N, P, and same like as here two junction, one between NP here and another between here PN. Two depletion layer is formed, and this is also called two potential barrier is also formed. Same like this here also three terminals. This is emitter, collector and the base. Same like this. So it is a PNP type transistor and it is called NPN transistor. The three terminals are used here. These P type semiconductor or N type semiconductors are taken in such a way, any one of type which have this property. Emitter which have a moderate size. See, this is the size of emitter here. Base is thin and collector has a largest size. See in this case. So this size is taken in both of the transistor, PNP type transistor and NPN type transistor both. And here in the case of a doping, emitter is heavily doped, where the lowest doping or light doping it is called in case of a base. Base means here if you take a negative and N type, and here it we have taken P type, positive type semiconductor. And collector, in both we are keep the doping material in moderate percentage. Right? So to make here how the material of P and N type will be taken, one thing, and what will be their size. In electronic circuit, how it is represented, see the symbol here. To represent this, suppose we are going to take first P and P type. So make T shape here, right? This is called base. From base there are two terminal, so make two terminal. It is a P and P, so this is P and P, right? So to understand this P and P, consider this is how emitter. See, this side is emitter. So remember, The current always flow from positive to negative terminal P to N. It is represented by ammeter here. This terminal is a collector and this is a base. If we want, we can encircle this all. We can total encircle. Circle may be, may not be. Similarly, if you want to make a symbol in a circuit of NPN type, so first of all here is this tree. This tree represented for base terminal, two more terminal, right? It is N, P, N. So current is from positive to negative, the arrow. See carefully. These two terminal, it become collector, ammeter, collector, base. If we want, we can encircle this total. We made encircle. This circuit may be, may not be. So we may write it is NPN type and it is PNP type semiconductor. The transistor connected in a circuit by three ways. Here see, this transistor has three terminals, so it is connected in a three way. The first one is called common base configuration. We are going to take these all three type of a circuit by taking example of NPN transistor here in this. So see how we are explaining this is. In common base transistor, see the symbol first of all. Right? Here see very carefully. NPN transistor. This transistor explains it is ammeter, base terminal and collector terminal. Here see in it. Here, if it is input is taken here and output, the base is a common. Base is in input, base terminal is in input and base is in output. So it is called common base configuration by taking example of NPN. Right? Second one is here given, second type common ammeter configuration. Right? So see how common ammeter configuration is done here. So to draw this is what is the common here? Ammeter. See here in this circuit. This is the base terminal, ammeter, collector. See the ammeter. It is common in both input and output. So we may write this is input, it is output. Here, see, ammeter is in input also and output also. Clear? Third type of configuration is known as CC configuration. Common collector configuration. See how common collector configuration made. For making the common collector, this is T is here. This is a collector. Emitter keep upward. This is base. Collector, it is emitter. This collector is common in both. This is, we may write input and here output. Right? See, one more thing we can see here, and the current, how it flow in each arm we will explain in the different. Here see, if here see in the diagram here, this is a base input, this current is IB here called, here IC, and IE is emitter here and here IC, right? So similarly, same like the current is represented, right?